Hi, boys and girls. Ooh, got a little friend here today. She hi, Bougie. Bougie, hi. Oh. Today is Wednesday, June 3rd. Please make sure that you complete the check-in for this morning. Also, if you have not already done so, make sure that you've printed this out so that you can check off that you've done all of your work this week. This is one of the last weeks that I'm checking all of your work, and there's still a lot of missing assignments, so please try to make sure that you get everything done this week. Today's spirit day is Limbo Luau. Wear something tropical and have a limbo competition with your family. You can use a piece of string as your limbo stick and tie it between two chairs. You can use a broom, a very, very, very long stick outside, anything you have available. Today in our class, we are celebrating Adeline and Gwen. And then again, if after lunch, Miss Er's class has open spots, you can leave little friendly blurbs to them as well. For your read aloud today, you should be finishing chapters 15, 16, and 17. Again, I remember that video was a little bit longer, so I give you 2 days to be able to listen to the whole thing. But please make sure you read up to the end of chapter 17 by today. Reading today. You are going to watch this teacher video and check out the interactive activity. There's a picture of it on the side. It's called Fractured Fairy Tales, and you get to choose one of the fairy tales, and it actually asks you questions like, what do you want to change the character to be, or what do you want the setting to be, and it kind of walks you through that a little bit. So you can take a screenshot of the changes that you're typing in. When you make the changes, it gives you the option to actually print it out. And the option is there as well for you to write up the entire story if you want. But you do not need to write the whole story today. But I do encourage you to try the thinking about the interactive changes by just answering the question prompts that it gives you. All right, Rosie's whining a bit. For writing today, you are going to start to plan your fractured fairy tale. So again, you can kind of use the ideas from the interactive site if you'd like, or you can do something totally a totally different story. So you're going to plan your story mountain. There is a template available on Google Classroom, or you can do this on paper and send a picture, or share it on Flipgrid. I know some of you have Flipgrids to share. Please make sure you include each story element, and there's a chart on the side. You want to change the character, the events, problem, solution, magic. Keep all of those story elements from last week in mind. And I'm also asking you to include at least 2 transitions on your story mountain. So I want 2 transition words as well. For math today, you are going to be completing lesson 8.3, and you're going to need the multiplication division fact table as well as Math Journal page 259 to get you started. You're going to watch the video and then complete the exit slip, and then play Factor Bingo on Connected. Finally, we have social studies for today. You're actually going to be creating a brochure of your country. So I'm going to show you a sample. Miss made this sample brochure for Italy. So it shows you the country's flag, shows you a picture of them celebrating and having some kind of festival. It tells you their currency is euros, that they speak Italian. There's a bunch of did you know facts and just random things that she learned about Italy. It has all of those different subtopics you guys research: history, food, culture, sports, activities. And again, there's just pictures of each and then little blurbs that you can edit and fill in, and then places of interest. So again, this would be places that you guys would visit. So think about when you were on Google Maps yesterday and what kind of tourist destinations there were. So you will be doing at least half of your brochure today, and you will finish it up tomorrow. I know some of you like to get it done in one day, but please allow yourself time so that you guys can really be creative and make sure that you get, good pictures and things in there. Okay, so there are slides on how to insert text and images if you're not sure how to do that. We weren't sure who wanted to print it versus who was going to type online, so we didn't want to add in a whole bunch of type here boxes, because then if you printed it out, you would have that. So you're going to have to insert those boxes yourself, okay? So again, go on Google Classroom under Social Studies and you can get your template there or print it out right here, in case you forgot your country assignments. And last but not least is your science, your s'mores oven, your nachos and cheese oven, your, I don't know, what else can you melt? What else can you melt, Rosie? Huh? What else can you melt? I honestly cannot think of anything else that you can melt right now. But try to get that done or have some fun with that. Again, that one is optional, but you are welcome to share it online. Again, I saw Gwen's already. Hers is almost like perfect to what the example was. And I know that she enjoyed it and said they came out pretty tasty. Okay? If you have any questions, I'm here. Bye.